Hello girls and guys, welcome to another video of learn how to drive the car. It's me again. On the last video we were talking about T-junctions, emerging at the T-junction on the right or left. And now a little bit more information about the T-junctions is open T-junction or closed T-junction. Benefit of knowing an open T-junction or closed T-junction is so you can make your mind up early enough that what are you doing at that give-way line. Open T-junction mean, as you can see in the picture, that you haven't reached at the give-way line yet, but your view of the road where you are trying to emerge on right or left has gone open beforehand. You will do same MSPSL, exactly the same. Only thing is, when it comes to look, you will look at the right, left and right. That's your official look for T-junction. When you will look, you will see if it's an open T-junction, you would be able to see what is happening on the road before you emerge or before even you get on the give-way line. Open T-junction, as you can see this green bits here, that means this is a plain ground, where you are emerging and there is no issue which is blocking your view. So your view is open, you can make your mind up, check your mirrors accordingly, signal accordingly, position of the car accordingly, speed, second gear. As you can see the junction, there is no car coming, put the second gear in and then look right, left and right and slow speed and keep going. You don't need to stop at the give-way line because there is no one there to give way. How far can you see and make your mind up? Maximum, there is no gap. You can see as far as what the road where you are emerging at. You can see from 10 cars, 12 cars, no issue. Minimum gap to see and make your mind is about 2 cars length. 2 cars, 1.5 car length. Then you can make your mind up that yes, there is no one there, right, left and right, so I can go. That is a minimum gap, about car and a half length, before you can do your MSPSL and then you can go. If it's anything less than that, do not take the chance and don't go. Just stop there and then look properly and then go. Just in case if there is someone coming from that side. It's very close, it's too risky to go. Another thing about T-junction, open T-junction, if there is anyone still coming, it's open but the cars are coming, then obviously you will have to give way, you stop. The next thing is closed T-junction. Closed T-junction means, as you can see in this picture, your view is blocked, same MSPSL, same everything else, but as you are approaching to the T-junction, you will see your view is blocked. You cannot see on the road where you are trying to emerge, right or left. If you can't see, you can't go, you will reach to the top, stop, handbrake, first gear, biting point, right, left, right, and then go. As you go closer to the T-junction, your view might open from one side and the other side stay blocked. And then as you can see, you reached on the top of the T-junction. Now your view is almost open fully open from the right, and a little bit issue on the left. In this case, creep up, keep creeping, keep looking, keep creeping, keep looking until your view opens fully, and then you can go. If one side of the junction is fully closed and the other side of the junction is open, you will treat that T-junction as a closed T-junction. Do not take the risk. You still stop and then go. Key things to remember to deal with the T-junction. Every T-junction is not open. Majority of the junctions are closed, so do not start treating every T-junction as open and start taking the risk. Make sure you look properly. Majority of the junctions are closed, so majority of the time either you will be stopping, or even if it's open, somebody's coming, you will be still stopping. But if it's open and you go there and stop the car, it will be a fault. And if it's closed and you try to go, that would be a dangerous fault. So make sure you bear these things in mind when you're dealing with the T-junction. Thank you very much for watching the video. Do not forget to subscribe Early Motoring. I will be keep putting the videos on for you for your convenience, so you can learn driving quicker and pass quicker. Thank you.